Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kitchen Quarantine. Today we're making homemade pasta. Alright, if it's one thing about making homemade pasta I learned from this recipe, it's this. That's right, don't do it. It's awful. Don't ever do it. So this recipe really made me think of all the grandmothers out there that would make all of our meals when we were little from scratch. Without all the gadgets that we have today, they would do everything by hand and they would do it better. Let's just be honest. Their food looked amazing. And I would always make a mess in the kitchen, which is no different from how I am now. As you can clearly see, I don't know why I wore black pants to make pasta. It was a bad life decision. But let's get started with the recipe, okay? So I use 3 cups of flour, 5 eggs, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. And I'm gonna let you guys know now that I didn't actually get to catch my actual pasta making, like rolling it out on tape, because it was a disaster. And I'm gonna not embarrass myself and save that for a later recipe. All right, I'll show you how to make the dough though, and I'm gonna make it in a bread machine because I don't have time for that shit. Even in quarantine, I am not gonna knead dough for 2 hours, okay? I am not my grandmother. All right, so you put the dough in, you put the oil in, you put the eggs in, and you just hit dough on your bread machine. All right, there it's starting. And it's gonna be in there for about 20 minutes before it's nice and, you know, it's a ball of dough. So once about 20 minutes has passed, your dough's gonna look like this and it's ready to take out. So you take it out, put it on a floured surface, and just kind of knead it a little bit. You're then going to wrap your pasta dough in cellophane for the next 30 or so minutes so it can rest. So while I didn't get me actually making the pasta on video, it did actually turn out really good, and I will be posting the video of what I made with the pasta. So here's the end result. I hope you guys all tune in for the final product. All right. Thank you.